No, you gotta talk to her and make her smile. She's so happy. Talk to her.
Hi, baby girl. Can I stand next in the video?
Why don't you talk to her?
Hi, baby girl. Boo-boo, boo-boo, boo-boo.
Gentle.
She likes
Gentle.
to
Well, she is smiling, but you gotta be gentle, okay? Gentle. Okay, take your hands off. Your hands. Your hands. You have to just be gentle with her, okay? But she is smiling. She loves you.
Where is she smiling?
On her face. You don't see her smiling?
No. Didn't see her smile.
You happy girl. You happy girl. You're so cute. You're so cute.
So cuties.
Your sister's a cute girl, just like you.
Hi, cutie girls. Hi, sweetie. You want a smooch? You want a kiss? You want a smoochies, mommy?
Mwah.
What does a smooch mean?
It's a kiss.
What is
Look,
this?
she's smiling at you.
What is that this thing for?
It's called an iPod.
What is that iPod for?
For listening to music. Can you give your sister one more big kiss and then go put your shoes on?